Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a great little video for those interested in learning how to get the Python debugger working in VS Code. Shout out to Practical Programmer. Um, I had a small problem with my code here, and let me show you what that was. When I ran the code, make sure I save it, and so I click on the play button, and then I hit 3. Actually, let's make it a little bigger. 5, and you can see when I use a 5. Oh, come on, scroll for me. There it is. All right, so terrible scroll action. Let's zoom out. Maybe that helps. Nope. All right, so here we go. Okay, so you can see there's that space that's not supposed to be there. And I suspected it was here. I don't know why, just I thought it was. And I was right. Curiously, though, I would think that this underscore would be at the beginning of all of these lines, which it's not, which made me wonder what's going on. But if I remove that underscore, save, run, I'm going to enter an integer, we'll say 4 this time, just to change it up, and you can see it works. There's no spaces and there's no weird separation. If I put the space back, you'll see that when I run it again, now, for whatever reason, that separator, that space, messes up my diamond. Now, what we're going to do here is using our debugger, we're going to try and find out where this line shows up. I put in this underscore, hoping that when I run through this set of, actually, let's see if I can, I'll turn off all of these other breakpoints, and I will run the debugger, and it asks for my integer, and I'll say 4, enter, and here it is. So I should be able to see my underscore in here somewhere. It's not showing up. So what happens? Step into, step out. Interesting. My underscores did not show up in the output. Let's try that again. I'm going to stop this. Now, you understand why I'm a little concerned, because this should have, that underscore should have shown up. Not in the breakpoints. All right, so let's try that again. Python. Run the file. Okay, and now it should ask me my integer. I'll say 4 again just to keep it consistent. Globals. Nothing in there. Function variables. Let's see. Get user input. Special variables. That's a lot of stuff in there. That doesn't look very useful. Yeah, this is all the core. Let's take a look at my locals. Now, list of strings. Print list of strings. You can see that there is no separator. Spaces equals whatever that is. And the globals are not showing up either. So I'm a little bit mystified as to where this is showing up, because it's not showing up in my variables. There's nothing in my watch stack, call stack. Nothing in there. So how do I debug this? I'm going to step out of this, or step out. That should close out my function and completed. There it is. So where is this underscore showing up? All right, so that is a great question to explore. I'm not quite sure how to go about solving this. If you know the answer, please share with me. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to step out, and there it is. That's what I want. But why is it not showing my separation? All right, thanks for watching, and happy computing.